you're new here, my name is Yanni and I do a whole bunch of different videos. I have cooking videos, mom videos, business videos, you name it. Check out my channel so you can see what we're all about over here. But today, as you can see, we're in the kitchen, so I'm going to be doing a cooking video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Philly cheesesteak sliders. They're so good. Oh my god, they're so, like, I can taste it already. And what makes it even better is that we're using King's Hawaiian. Sorry, mom duties never stop. We're using King's Hawaiian sweet rolls. These rolls are so good. Okay, you know what? Because I can talk all day. Let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first step in the kitchen is always to what? Wash your hands, which I've already done off camera, but you know what? For the heck of it, I'll do it again because, you know, coronavirus! So if you see my hands are ashy, don't be getting smart in the comments. Don't be making little snarky comments, okay? They're dry because I washed them overzealously now because I don't want to get sick. So, some of us in my household like onions and mushrooms on our sliders. So I'm going to start by cutting up the onion. If you don't eat onions, your taste buds are childish. Sorry, not sorry. I'm not a professional chef, so don't judge me by the way that I'm cutting. My eyes burning, baby. Ooh, they burn. Okay, I think that's enough with the onions. That should be enough, I think. We could put a little more in there, just a little bit more. You want to be able to feed a whole village with these onions. We're going to use steakums. This has 14 steaks in it. I'm gonna start cooking it and see if it looks like it's enough because I have 2 packs. Okay, so we have 24 rolls. Okay, so I know we're gonna use at least 1 pack of these. So I'm going to make 1 pack, start cooking 1 pack and see what it's looking like. So she came back from the store and she cut up the mushroom.
This is my work right here, y'all.
I'll drop them. So thank you.
I cleaned them. You're welcome. So I cleaned them, went out and bought them because we're used to having mushrooms and onions in them. Went and cleaned them, cut them. I'm the sous chef today. And now they're ready to go. Okay. Say hi to the camera. Say hey!
Oh, she waved. This? Okay, so now we're gonna start making the onions, well, cooking the onions and mushrooms. So we're going to turn the stove on, of course.
Oh, man.
And we're gonna take some whirl butter. So it's a butter sauce.
Ooh, this is wet. That's how you cook it all.
Her bib is wet. It's another one in her diaper bag. Gonna put the onions in. cover it up so those bad boys can steam. Alright, I think our meat is all done. Let's try it and make sure it's seasoned well. I think it's good. I might add just a tiny bit more.
You take 3
But it's
fingers
good.
and you slice up.
You want some more? Milan approves. She likes the meat. Okay, 1 second, Mommy. Turn that off and remove it from the heat. So, as you can see, it's starting to cook down the mushrooms and the onions. When I put the lid on there, it kept the steam. It kept the steam in, so. And then we're going to start slicing our bread in half. Take some Pam. Spray the pan down. Okay, and then
Didn't know what it was.
I'm going to cut the bread. So now we're going to get our meat and put them on. Spread it on. Lay it on thick. Baby, them onions and the mushrooms look good. Get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
Yes. Look at them sizzle. That's gonna be so good. This is the perfect addition to your salad. Okay, and we're gonna use two. Here I am. We're gonna use 2 types of cheeses. We're gonna use provolone and baby Swiss. Okay, and this is the finished product. Okay, your Philly cheesesteak sliders with some fries on the side, the caramelized onions and mushrooms, the melted cheese. This is so
Good.
Oh man, my phone died. Oh man. Oh shit.
Oh my god, this bread is so good. It's sweet. And then when you spray the bottom of the pan, it kind of makes it like buttery and toasted a little bit, but it's still like gooey. It doesn't get dry. So make sure you spray the bottom of your pan before you put the bottom parts of your bread, your bread in, because you don't want them to like dry out. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's Jason Derulo.
Okay, definitely try this out and let me know what you guys think.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check back for another video. Bye.